Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado bonsai. First, select a robust avocado seed from a ripe fruit. Gently peel off the dark outer layer, being careful not to nick the seed itself. Then, insert 3 or 4 toothpicks around the middle of the seed. Suspend the seed with its flatter, wider end facing down over a glass of water, ensuring only the bottom 1/3 is submerged. Position it in a warm location, away from direct sun, and patiently wait for roots and a sprout to emerge, which typically takes 2 to 6 weeks. After your avocado seed has developed roots that are about 3 to 4 inches long and a stem of similar length, it's time to plant it. Choose a small pot, roughly 6 inches in diameter, with good drainage. Fill it with a high-quality, well-draining potting mix. Plant the seed so that the top half remains exposed above the soil line. Water it well and place it in a bright, warm spot. Let your young plant grow to a height of approximately 6 to 8 inches before its first significant pruning. To begin shaping your avocado into a bonsai, once the main stem reaches about 6 to 8 inches, prune it back to approximately 3 to 4 inches above the soil. This crucial step encourages the plant to branch out, creating a fuller, more compact structure. Continuously pinch off the tips of new shoots as they appear to maintain the desired small size and dense foliage. Carefully remove any leaves or branches that detract from your chosen bonsai form, always using clean, sharp tools for healthy cuts. Maintaining your avocado bonsai requires consistent care. Water your plant regularly, ensuring the top 1 inch of soil dries out before the next watering to prevent root rot. During the active growing season from spring through fall, feed your bonsai every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer, diluted to half strength. Repot your plant every 1 to 2 years, trimming about 1/4 of the root ball to encourage new growth. Provide bright, indirect light and protect it from temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.